Why your emails sound weak. Fix these 3 lines. If your emails sound soft, uncertain, or too long, it's probably because of the 3 weak lines that almost every professional uses. Today, you will learn how to replace them with short, strong executive email language. Weak line number 1. I'm just checking in. This sounds passive and apologetic. Here's the upgrade. Following up on, checking on the status of. These are clean, direct, and respectful. Weak line number 2. Sorry for the inconvenience. Executives don't over apologize. Here's the upgrade. Thank you for your patience. Or, I appreciate your flexibility. This keeps the tone positive and professional. Weak line number 3. Let me know if you need anything. This creates no clarity and no action. Here's the upgrade. If this works for you, I'm moving forward. Please confirm and I'll finalize it. Here's the next step. These give direction, not vague invitations. Before and after emails. Here's the weak version. Hi team, I'm just checking in about the report. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me know if you need anything. The executive version. Those responses are night and day. To sound like a leader in every email, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching The Executive English Coach.